Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic that can pave the way to financial success for all of you. We'll be discussing the 10 money rules for financial success. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. 1. Set clear financial goals. The first rule is to set clear financial goals. Without a target, it's challenging to make progress. So, take some time to define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house, paying off debts, or starting a business, having specific goals helps you stay focused. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Rule number 2 is creating a budget and sticking to it. A budget is your financial roadmap. List your income and expenses, and allocate your money wisely. Remember, tracking your spending habits and making adjustments where necessary is key to financial success. 3. Save and invest regularly. Saving and investing are crucial for long-term financial success. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income regularly. And when you have enough saved, invest wisely. Understand the power of compound interest and explore various investment options that align with your risk tolerance. 4. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental rule. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize needs over wants. It's tempting to indulge in luxuries, but financial success comes from making wise choices with your money. Rule 5. Eliminate debt. Rule number 5 is all about eliminating debt. High-interest debts can hinder your financial progress. Focus on paying off debts strategically, starting with those with the highest interest rates. Adopting a debt repayment plan will put you on the path to financial freedom. 6. Diversify your income streams. Diversifying your income streams is a great way to secure your financial future. Explore side hustles, investments, or passive income opportunities. Having multiple sources of income not only increases your earning potential but also provides a safety net in case one stream dries up. 7. Educate yourself about personal finance. Rule number 7 is to educate yourself about personal finance. Take the time to read books, attend workshops, and follow financial experts to enhance your financial knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. 8. Protect yourself with insurance. Protecting yourself with insurance is an essential rule for financial success. Life, health, and property insurance can safeguard you and your loved ones from unexpected events. Review your insurance needs regularly and ensure you have adequate coverage. 9. Give back and practice gratitude. Rule number 9 is about giving back and practicing gratitude. Sharing your resources with others in need not only makes a positive impact but also cultivates a mindset of abundance. Remember to express gratitude for what you have and acknowledge your progress along the way. 10. Review and adjust regularly. Lastly, rule number 10 is to review and adjust your financial plan regularly. As your life and circumstances change, so should your financial strategy. Set aside time every few months to review your progress, make adjustments, and stay on track. And there you have it, folks. The 10 money rules for financial success. By following these guidelines, you're setting yourself up for a financially secure future. Remember, financial success is a journey, so take small steps every day to achieve your goals. If you have any questions or want more personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more valuable content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.